SMASH system is a highly advanced, remotely operated stabilized weapon station equipped with a 30mm Mk44 Bushmaster-II Canon. It incorporates several advanced features, including remote operation, a built-in electro-optic sensor system for autonomous operation, and day and night operation capabilities. Additionally, the system features a stabilized turret, automatic target tracking, including the ability to detect, track, and fire on the move, and ballistic computation. One of the key benefits of the SMASH system is its stabilized turret, which enables the line of sight of the gun to remain aimed at the target at all times. Thanks to this stabilization feature, the system can perform precise firings against both stationary and moving targets even while on the move. The system can be operated remotely using the remote gun control unit, providing gunner protection against counter-fire. Furthermore, the SMASH system is highly efficient, with the ability to fire up to 200 rounds per minute with its dual-feed 30mm automatic cannon. In contrast to other systems that use fixed-sight systems, such as the 12.7mm stamp and 25mm stop systems, SMASH incorporates a separately stabilized electro-optical suit that can move in elevation and azimuth axes relative to the gun. This feature ensures effective firing at long distances by enabling the line of sight to stay on the target at all times, even during firing when ballistic correction is applied to the gun. Additionally, the separately stabilized electro-optical sight enables surveillance and target tracking without requiring the gun to be aimed at the target.